Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Oluwaseun Abosede Olaleke, your new early years practitioner neighbor, and this space is all about making early years learning simple, playful, and meaningful. Today, we are exploring one of my favorite topics, teaching size, weight, and length through everyday play. We'll look at easy, no-cost ways to help preschoolers explore measurement concepts naturally, right through the things they do every day. So, whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, you walk away with practical ideas you can use immediately. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the activities, let's talk about what we really mean by measurement in early years. At this stage, children are not expected to use rulers or scales. Instead, they learn by comparing, describing, and exploring. So we use words like big, small, heavy, light, long, and short. When we encourage this kind of play talk, children start to make sense of the world around them, building a foundation for numeracy that feels natural, not forced. Now, let's look at simple everyday play ideas that you can do at home or in your classroom. Size, big and small play. Give children a mix of objects. Teddy bears, cups, or blocks. Ask open-ended questions like, which bear is bigger? Can you find a smaller cup? So you can extend this by sorting toys from biggest to smallest. This builds visual discrimination, a key early numeracy skill. For weights, heavy and light, you don't need a real scale. Children can feel weight differences by holding objects. Let them lift two toys or fruits and compare which one feels heavier. Is this feather lighter than the stone? For fun, create a DIY balance scale with a coat hanger string and two plastic cups. Children will love experimenting. It's hands-on science and maths combined together. For length, long and short. Outdoor play is perfect for this. Take sticks, ribbons, or even pieces of strings and compare their lengths. Say things like, this stick is longer than that one. Can you find the shortest ribbon? You can also use body measurements, measuring with hands, feet, or even blocks. Let's see how long your shoe is using the blocks. So for daily routine maths, you don't always need activity time. Measurement talk fits naturally into daily routines. Compare sandwich sizes at lunch. Count how many spoons fit in a cup. Talk about the tall bottles and the short cups while tidying up. It's about noticing and naming numeracy in the moment. Noticing and naming math in the moment. As children play, model the language of comparison with them. Bigger, smaller, heavier, lighter, longer, and shorter. Don't rush to correct them. Instead, encourage them to explain. Oh, you think that one is heavier? Why do you think so? This builds confidence, reasoning. It builds confidence, reasoning, and vocabulary, all vital for later math success. So, remember, teaching size, weight, and length does not need special tools. It's about creating opportunities for hands-on exploration through play. Children already love play. Every time they compare, sort, or describe, they're doing real math. It's joyful, active, and it sets the stage for deeper learning later on. So, if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with another early years educator or parent, and subscribe for more playful learning ideas each week. Thanks for watching. And remember, in the early years, play is the best classroom.